Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Vivo Y72. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from phone to TV. At the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your TV go to screen mirroring feature. Then on your phone swipe down notification bar, extend it, search for screencast, tap and hold on it. Go to settings, tap this three dots button and enable wireless display. Then we can tap on the phone, on the TV. And now our screen is being casted. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.